Alright, so look, it's 200 base. I'm gonna go full screen though, because I need to go full screen, so we go full screen. I'm looking at it right now. You already know what I'm using. I'm using Jug, BS, Caretaker, and then 4 Elite Riflemen. So when they come in there, it's loading, whatever. All I do is push attack, whatever. I got Ruben on already, you already see. So it's loading. It's deploy. Come over here. That's a glitch. So in. See as you see it in already. And after that, you go to the next spot. You don't even need this tool right here yet, because I need to keep going to these sides. It's loading again. That's the bullshit. Hit that. Save. Well, this again. It's kind of like glitching. It's trying to play me, but I already know how to do it, so I can't really play me. As soon as you see the bomb go up, you don't worry about nothing else. Wait for that, boom, you see the explosion in. It's all free. You see, my caretaker ain't been hit. Nothing been hit yet. Nothing been hit. Come to this other side. Now right here, I try to aim on this building. I want this building right here, that little war factory thing or whatever it is. I want that. So let it load. Tag gear. Now this time I'm gonna try to grab my jug real quick before it shoot, but it's kind of glitching, so it might not work. But let's see. Deploy. Grab the jug real quick. I want the jug. See now, see how I just grabbed the jug. I want that because now it's gonna take out that. It's gonna take out all that. You ain't worried about anything else. And nothing hit yet. Still, it's all free still. Go to the next side. So again, you want to try to hit that building. The buildings on the outskirts. It's really these buildings you focusing on. Give it a couple seconds. I think this free repair, so you don't try to rush it anyways. Everything kind of load itself. Grab that. Try to grab that jug. Grab the jug, yeah. Tap that building. And when you do that, that's when it's good. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to get everything moving. Boom, in. Before you like all free. Oh, see, they try to play me. Oh, no. It didn't end. See how they just played me? And the end. Y'all see that it didn't let my button in. So look, I got a little hurt. But it's still good. So now I bring in the rifleman. This is the trick to the rifleman. But that wouldn't have happened though if they didn't just play me, but they played me. But fuck that shit if we ain't worried about that. That's just a minor setback, but it's still gonna get done. So then you push attack. So this is the elite rifleman trick. This is what saves everything. You know what I'm saying? So what you do, let it load, whatever. This is my elite rifleman. I got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I do, I deploy one. I switch the tune. See the thing start firing? Now you deploy the jug over here. Click over here. It's worried about that elite rifleman right now. It ain't worried about you. You know what I'm saying? Now it's turning. But by the time it turns, I'm already pushing in. I already killed that. You know what I'm saying? I lost 1 elite rifleman. So now I go to this other side. This side free. this side free right here, you're gonna click on the van. There's a van right there in the corner. You want that van. This side free. They played me one time though, but this side free, so. This loaded shit be tweaking. Alright, so just deploy. And you want to get that jug, but it ain't gonna get the jug because the GS in the way, but it's already shooting, so we good. So as soon as I get close, boom, in. Not even hit. It said it was hit, but it wasn't hit. Make it look. Not hit. You know what I'm saying? It said it was, but it wasn't. And same thing to this corner over here. Got a van in the corner too, right there. I'll use a rifle, man, for this. I ain't gonna lie, cause it get a little closer. And then we got that one side and that side. And we got done. I still got 3 of the elite riflemen I ain't used, so I'm gonna use another one real quick. Cause elite riflemen just get your tune closer, so you just deploy one. Switch to the next thing, you see it shooting, so deploy that real quick. I want that jug. There we go, jug. See, that's already focused on me now, so we might be a little late, but it's still waiting to fire, so we good. See, it ain't even worried about me, so we gonna end. Boom, got that corner, got that doom. All that good, you know what I'm saying? Now we at the bottom. And then we got this one side, the bottom and this one side. And then we use air, and it's done. So then I come in down here at the bottom. All that shit cleared, everything done. Now we do the bottom right here. That's another elite rifleman first. Deploy your elite rifleman, let that one judge start shooting. See, I got 2 left. Switch to the other team. See, it start shooting. It's 4. I deploy. Take the judge, click on that pacify, because that judge already looking at me. Now in. That's it. That was that. Now we got one more rifleman right there. I'm gonna go to this back side, because that's the only thing that's left for me. The everything. I'm not worried about the hunters. The hunters you just take out with siege, and you know what I'm saying? That shit easy. They make it easy after that. So now it's the back side. I loaded, I be hating. Alright, so now I'm deploy my last rifleman. Have told that it's already shooting. Take that. We want to hit that building right there. It's already looking at me too. So look, we gonna end this real quick. Boom, all that gone. So that's gone. We good. So now all my elite riflemen gone. I lost 4 elite riflemen. So now I just come in with envoys. Watch how we do the envoys, because this is what's gonna kill you. The silos is what's gonna kill you. Now, you ain't worried about that rail. We ain't worried about nothing else. We just need that silo out of there. Alright, so now we go to air. I got 5 right here. Where my air coming right there. So usually I just take this out just because it's right there. Just take it out. Click on the wall right here. Fly back. Just want to take that out real quick. That's a quick, easy one. And I could take out that rail gun and all that shit too with envoys and shit and make it easier, but I mean, the main things you worried about is gone. You know what I'm saying? Now all it is just little shit. So I go right here. So it's not by the hunter, not by that little thing. And then we up. See, I got hit by the hunter. Boom, in though. Boom. So they try to play me though. So now it's ready for siege. You know what I'm saying? Ready. So it's ready now. So you know that's pretty much it. And then only reason my shit got hurt is because that one time they didn't let me in. It would have been free. It would have been free repair, and I lost a 4 elite rifleman. That's it. So I mean, hope this helps.